welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to show you ways to enable or use the virtualization on PC. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So we can enable virtualization by following up this method. First of all, press Windows plus R and there type in optional features. So type in optional features and hit enter. And you will be finding these options appear on your screen. You just need to look out for the option here. So you can scroll down from the given options and go to this section and look out for virtual machine platform. One of them is this one right here. You can enable it. Apart from that, another one is Windows Hypervisor. So you can look out for that option here within Windows, this platform right here. And another one is Hyper-V. So you can go up and look out for Hyper-V and turn this option on. You can just go up and click on OK. And restart the PC once that is done, and that should work out for you. Apart from that, what we can do is we can use command prompt. So for that, you need to type in Windows plus R and type in CMD and hit enter. And that should open up command prompt. If not this, you can use command prompt as an administrator here. And once you run it as administrator, type this code right here, which is this one right here. So type in bcedit / set hypervisor launch type auto and then hit enter. And once it is completed, press enter and restart your PC. Apart from that, we can verify virtualization through our task manager as well. So you can go over to your task manager, type in task manager and open it up. And within your task manager, you can go to performance. And within performance, what you need to do is go to CPU right here. And from CPU, check if this virtualization option is enabled or not. If it is not, you can just go over and enable it. And that's it, everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow up to turn on virtualization on your PC. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.